Hello to all, Erica Preston here, and get ready for this quick 5-minute hula hoop workout. We're gonna do some moving around with the hoop, stepping, breaking, turning, and getting you ready for the rest of your day. Let's go. And we're gonna start with the warm-up. We're gonna step touch. And then we're gonna do some backwards shoulder rolls. There you go. Now forward shoulder rolls. And we're gonna stop here and we're gonna do twist on each side, center of the hoop, twist the hoop as you go to each side. We're working that midsection for our workout. All right, next, we're gonna go ahead and put the hoop to the small of our back, and we're gonna give it a little tug to whichever side you feel most comfortable. We're gonna start rocking back and forth. That's it. Open your arms, take a deep cleansing breath in and out. In and out. Now, if you're ready, you can switch your position and start rocking side to side, keeping your abs engaged. There you go. Now, we're gonna take one of our feet, and we're gonna, as the hoop hits the front of your body, we're gonna step forward, and forward, and forward, and forward. And then, as the hoop hits the small of your back, we're gonna go back, 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 back. That's it. Now we're gonna try side to side. Now, when the hoop hits this side, that's when we're gonna go to the side. Side, step, side, step, side, step, side, step. Now let's try that, put it together. If the hoop drops, no problem, that's a-okay. You pick the hoop back up and start spinning it again. This is a great practice drill and a workout at the same time. All right, so we're gonna go forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and back. 1, 2, 3. Side, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Those are just the counts. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Back. 1, 2, 3. All right. Side. 1, 2, 3. All right. And 1, 2, 3. All right, you did it. Now, next we're gonna practice breaking the hoop. We're gonna take the hoop, we're gonna take actually our hand, and we're gonna stop the hoop and put the other hand that's right in front of you right afterwards. Let's try that again. Break, break. I'm gonna go, all right? We're gonna break, and we're gonna reverse. Break, and reverse. Break, and reverse. Break, and reverse. Now we can add a spin. Let's try that. Let's break, reverse, and turn. Break, reverse, and turn. Break, reverse, and turn. Break, reverse, and turn. All right, you got it. Now, let's try that drill one more time. We're gonna add the break, reverse, and turn. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, break, reverse, and turn. break, reverse, and turn. All right, you did it. Anytime you want to start practicing those types of moves with the waist, just getting used to moving along, switching directions with the hoop. This is a great drill to do. We're gonna go ahead and stretch, and then we're gonna leave you on your way. I hope you enjoyed this quick 5-minute drill warm-up workout. All right, let's go. We're gonna go ahead and hinge at the hips. The hoop's a soft arms distance from you, a soft arms distance. We're just gonna hinge at the hips and sit here for a minute. Twist. Other side. All right, pop that heel up and sit back. Switch. Grab your elbow, stretch those arms, your shoulder, switch. Let's give ourselves a pat on the back here, and switch. Take a nice cleansing deep breath in and out. Another deep cleansing breath and out. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this workout.